but I'm with a nap, and she has something she wants to show you. This is a new Amazon XP 4-inch 3000 chainsaw. You have your own chainsaw, huh? You gonna help Daddy cut trees?
No trees.
No trees? Okay, well Daddy will cut them. So I got her that for Christmas. She's always out helping me. So we have like an hour till dark, so we don't have a whole lot of time. Goal here, try to get as much of this cut up and out of here. I have all day tomorrow too, so get as much of this loaded into the trailer. I'm gonna start with this big stuff so I can back my trailer up over there. So we're gonna start with these big rounds right here, and here we go. Oh, did you fall? We're both getting hurt. You have a stick?
It's a poulan stick.
Good job.
No stick. It's a stick.
Yeah. That's what we're doing.
Is it stick?
Picking up sticks. God, this stuff is heavy. Heavy.
It's heavy.
It's very heavy. Yes. I don't know how heavy, but god dang.
It's big. It's so big.
It's big? Did you find pine cones?
Big coins.
Yeah, pine cones. Why will you not roll? Gosh dang it.
What is it?
What? Yeah. You're very cute. You're a good helper.
No, I want stick. I want stick.
What's that?
It's corn.
It's a pine cone.
Corn.
Pine cone. What's that?
A stick.
A stick. And what's that?
Some.
That's your saw?
So.
Yeah. Well, we got this baby bucked up. I bet you this thing would have been beautiful if you sawed it. Made it into some lumber. This bottom piece is pretty straight. There's like a crotch up there, which you guys probably saw, but I don't know, it's about a 24-inch tree. You had the 24-inch bar on. I'd say it's just slightly less than 24, but it's getting dark fast, so we got a big mess to clean up. I'm not even close to done, but I'm gonna try to get loaded what I can in the trailer now. And I don't know, some of these rounds are gonna be freaking so heavy. I think I'm gonna put the ramps up and try to roll them up in there. So I bet you them things are 500 pounds a piece. These are at least 100. I know that because a bundle of shingles is about 80, and they're heavier than that. I've tried this before. Let's see. Yeah, I'm okay. Kind of. I don't know. That works. I wanted to avoid trees like this until I have my tractor here. I got a little carried away with this one. It's only like the bottom 10 or 15 feet that I can't lift, but this stuff makes a lot of wood. That's what we want, a lot of wood. I don't think they're 500 pounds, but if you guys have ever dealt with red oak, you know these suckers will give you a hernia. I'm strong, but not that strong. You're over there. You'll have to keep your hands warm. Are your hands cold? Working with the 2-year-old. Working with the 2-year-old isn't the easiest, but got all the big stuff. It fills up a trailer quick. It's a 6x10, and I mean, basically the bottom of it's full. And we got, well, that tree over there I cut, all this. That tree I haven't even touched, and I still have to go through all that. And then I cut another tree over there. So tomorrow the goal, we'll get this entire thing filled up. Okay, we're gonna go bye-bye. Here we go. All right, well, it'll be 2 seconds for you, but we will see you tomorrow. All right, well, it's the next day. It's like noon. Like I said earlier, I'm stuck with little one, so doing firewood. Say hi.
Hi.
She isn't the greatest helper, and she loves being outside and playing when she wants to play and be outside, but we just threw a little fit because you had to come help Daddy, right? Yeah.
I saw.
Yeah, you have your own saw. Yeah. You're gonna come help Daddy now? Are you all done and all better? Yeah. So, I don't know. It's one of those things where she's 2, so she really only wants to do what she wants to do, and it'll probably be that way for most of her life, but at 2 you don't really have a whole lot of options or choice. and I want to get her involved with the outdoors and start showing her work and stuff like that. I know she's young, but I want this to be just something that she grows up with and is used to and doesn't seem like a hassle because it's so normal. But we just threw a big giant fit. Anyways, enough of that. Let's go get some wood. Well, I got the rest of the wood loaded. You saw most of this yesterday. I got these limbs here that all need to get cut. That's going to be good wood. And these limbs here. And then I have a tree to pick up there and a tree to pick up there. That's one tree, I believe. Yeah. So, one tree. I have a feeling I'm not going to have room for all this. So, what I'm going to do, start cutting these limbs here, pick up that pile, and pick up the tree over there, see if I have any room left. I kind of have a feeling now that I won't. So, we'll get cutting on this limb over here. This one's fine for now. I can always get it next time. It's on the ground. We will get it next time if we don't have room. But I'm going to try to get all this limb wood first. And that's all completely cut. And that's all completely cut already. So rather than keep cutting, I'm just going to keep loading till I have a load. You want to tell the people? What is that? What are those? You found pine cones?
My baby?
You want baby pine cones? You gotta go find them. They're over there. Alright. Well, we're moving along. We were over there. Now, we're right here. This tree did not look like much, but I'm telling you, this is some of the best wood right here. I mean, that is completely solid. Bark and pulpwood is gone, and it's basically just the heart. It was right there. You can see there's two there. There's one laying down there. Another giant one here. There's one there, and there's one back in there. I don't know. I'm going to grab this. Trailer's getting there. We can definitely fit what we got here. But I don't know if I might just start cutting into this guy. It's sitting off the ground. Sounds solid. I don't know. Nobody commented on that last video if this was a cherry or not. I think it is. I don't know what else it would be. We have a nice diversity of trees. A lot of red oak, a lot of pine. A little bit of cherry, got a little bit of elm, little bit of poplar. I'm not real big on pine tree identification, so we have lots of different kinds of pine trees too. I just don't know. I don't know. We have white pine, jack pine, probably red pine, and I don't know, some other stuff. Well, let's get this loaded. It's almost nap time for me. What'd you find? You found some? Oh yeah, there's a whole bunch of pine cones under that tree. Trailer is pretty full. I'm gonna cut into this one. I don't know how much I'm gonna take. This one just fell down. Last time I was here, this was not down. And you can see there's, I don't know, half a dozen smaller ones here. I started cutting on some over here. You can see a brush pile there. I pulled some out of here. I don't know if this one's solid. At the bottom, it's definitely not. Definitely not solid down here. So I'm gonna just cut into it and see if there's anything good. If there is, we'll take what we can, leave the rest for next time. And we got a whole bunch of them right here, a bunch of little guys. But yeah, you can hear her crying. One of us is ready for lunch and one of us is ready for a nap. Name in the comments who's who. That's it for this one. I'm gonna get to cutting on this one, fill up a little bit in the trailer, and that'll be it for this video. So if you like it, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload, and I will see you on the next one.